Facebook have just made a catastrophic announcement for Vinted, which will also have a serious effect on eBay too. Now, as you probably know, we have the three big reselling platforms, eBay, Depop, and also Vinted. And as I'm sure you're aware at the moment, Vinted is going through the process of ripping its own guts out and alienating itself from its customer base entirely because of an AI system that's out of control and management that clearly can't define their own processes and policies. And with sellers already looking for another place to go, the timing of this announcement from Facebook couldn't be any better. But it's terrible for Vinted with their US expansion now fully underway. Equally, this is not positive for eBay either. eBay have been in a long fought battle with the other e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Vinted. So to have Facebook effectively double down on its goal of expanding in the used goods resale economy with this latest innovation, things are going to get competitive. You might have wondered why Facebook has not done this sooner. Well, perhaps they've finally caught on to the fact that the used goods marketplace is absolutely booming and is only set to get better. And the marketplace feature on Facebook has been crying out for a proper upgrade for ages. So finally, they've created something called Seller, which is their answer to the likes of eBay and Vinted. Now, why does this matter to you? Well, if you've built your reselling side hustle on Vinted alone, then you've built it on sand, and it's only a matter of time before it all gets washed away. Having multiple platforms to sell from, i.e. cross-listing, is exactly what I teach my coaching students to give you more security and a faster profit. For us resellers, the change spells a very welcome disruption in the market, whether it's innovation in the form of the AI photography listing feature or a more stable platform for resellers from which to sell from. Those who adapt to this new capability early will undoubtedly reap the benefits. Currently, the Seller app is in beta testing in the US, but you can look forward to it being rolled out in the UK very soon so we can all try it. If you're looking for help building a reselling side hustle, make sure you check the link in the description. And before you go, tell me if you would like to see Facebook come in and crush Vinted in the used goods marketplace, or perhaps we could ask Meta to rewrite Vinted's account suspension policies. Either way, let me know in the comments.